Hello, it's Patrick here from the GarageBand Guide.com. This is just a really quick update video to let you know some of the changes and tweaks that are happening here at the GarageBand Guide. First off, last week's video, GarageBand's biggest weakness and how to fix it, was the first video in a long time where I was actually on camera. Surprisingly, no one ran away screaming, and nobody, as far as I'm aware, put their fist through their computer screen in a fit of rage. So you'll be seeing a bit more of that type of video from me in the future. I think in some circumstances it's really good to be able to talk to you directly like this. Second, this Saturday's episode of Free App of the Week will be the last. Now, it's not going away completely, rather it's changing, evolving, transmogrifying from Free App of the Week to just App of the Week. And that's happening for a couple of reasons. One, there just aren't that many top tier free apps left on the App Store that I haven't already covered on the show. Now, while there definitely are some perfectly good and usable free apps that I haven't talked about still on the App Store, the last thing I want to do is to talk about and potentially recommend something to you just because I need some content for a video slot. I genuinely feel like that would be a bad road to go down. You know what I mean? And two, it opens the door to talk about some really exciting and powerful and useful apps that I use in some of my projects that you might want to use in yours. So the TLDR, or TLDW, I guess, of this whole thing is more face, bye-bye Free App of the Week, and hello App of the Week. Okay, that'll about do it from me. I've been Patrick from the GarageBandGuide.com, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.